Hey guys, today we're going to be making a small bowl out of a piece of walnut and maple. It's about 3 or 4 inches in diameter and about 2.5 inches tall. Really fun, small little project. Let's get started. This was a pretty fun project to make. Just a small basic bowl. It was really fun. It would have been a little easier if I had a smaller gouge, because I was using a 5/8 bowl gouge. That's the only one I've got right now. But it still worked. It wasn't really bad. It was a really fun project to make. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to hit the like button and share this with all of your friends. Also be sure to go follow me on social media, on Facebook and Instagram at Made by Brent to see what I'm working on. And also be sure to go check out some of my other videos. I have my newest video right here and another one of my videos right here. Please be sure to go check both of those out. If you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button so that way you know whenever I put new videos out. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.